If you or someone in your family wears night guards, Invisalign retainer, dentures, partials, you know how quickly plaque and stubborn stain residue can build up in all the little tiny pieces. So brushing them by hand in a toothbrush, it doesn't always do the best job, and it can sometimes just get really bad with buildup over time. This was gifted to me from the brand to test out. And so this is a ultrasonic cleaner, and it just really helps to facilitate hand scrubbing. Think of it as an electric toothbrush for your appliances. And so let's skip the intro. Let's get into the top 3 questions that you need answered before you think about getting a system like this. So the first big one is, how does a 45 kHz ultrasonic actually clean dental appliances without damaging them? Because you don't want to damage them, they're expensive. So it uses a gentle high frequency sound waves. It operates at 45,000 vibrations per second. So has these tiny little bubbles that expand and burst to lift away like stubborn calculus, buildup, stains, plaque, tartar in every angle. So it just thoroughly cleanses the braces, the dentures, the mouth guards, the retainers, even your toothbrush heads. You could put, or your jewelry too. Your jewelry these are the same ultrasonic cleaners that jewelry cleaners use. So second question is, how does the UV light function? And is it easy to customize the cleaning and the timing? So this is designed for just super easy convenience. So when you close the lid and you press the start, the light turns on as well with the vibration. So you can hear that when you turn it on. So it makes it super easy. It's a clear digital countdown display, and it has 5 customizable timer modes ranging from 90 seconds to a really deep clean. You can raise it all the way up to 480 seconds, maybe if you've worn it all day, all night long. So is it durable? Is it small? Is it quiet? Is it easy enough to put on the counter and not take up a ton of space? Yes. So it has a built-in rust-proof stainless steel tank, and you fill it to the fill line right there. And I've got a retainer, and then I've got a night guard in it as well. And then you can hear, like, it's pretty, that fits a lot. That would fit a full upper and lower denture too. So a lot of space to comfortably, again, fit all of your appliances or your jewelry as well, with room to spare. So you just, again, add water. You can put your tablet, your cleaning tablets, your denture tablets, put that in there, set the timer, and then push go. Super easy. Get ready for your day, and then your things are ready to go, or else take it out so it can be ready for the nighttime. Simple, straightforward. Keep this at home for your professional ultrasonic cleaner. It's a great asset. Upgrade, stop using your toothbrush. Get the electric toothbrush cleaning device for your appliances, right? Hopefully this was helpful and answered some questions. We'll see you next time.